Pamarco has been involved in Flexo printing since its inception as aniline printing in the 1940s. In the 1970s, Pamarco here in the UK, Pamarco Warrington, actually invented the ceramic analox roll, which became the standard and is for decades and is still the standard today that we're manufacturing, and so are all of our competitors.
Our three major differentiators from other suppliers are: one is our product portfolio. We've got the widest range of products available in the market for the converting industry. Secondly is our multi-state locations. We are close to our customer base, which these days with the cost of transportation is a very big factor. And thirdly is the vertical integration. If we sell it, we make it. We do all processes in-house, including our own base making and electroplating.
We keep the world's printing presses rolling, and that's a fundamental value.
Pamarco is strong in most markets. I think historically they've been very, very strong in the corrugated market and still are. But over the years we've developed good relationships, good responses to different markets, and the flexible packaging, the Narab markets, the specialist coating markets, over the last 5 to 10 years have also become very important and a very strong part of Pamarco's business.
Well, Pamarco is operating with 5,000 customers in over 100 countries, so I'd say we're global. I think that's a statement of fact. But I think it's more important than that. I think we're a global product company, but with a local presence. And the presence I mean there is somebody who's available to you as an advisor, a specialist advisor, to make sure that the product we supply to you is going to perform in print terms in exactly the way you anticipate.
Our biggest premise is going to be on repeatability. What a customer needs in our industry is accurate repeatability, same time, every time. And our written processes, risk assessments, quality assessments of work ensure that we can do just that. We get a lot of investments every year in our technical, it's a very technical process we do, and we need a high-end technical equipment in terms of thermal spraying and laser engraving, and we invest in that annually. We've got a lot of employees who've been here for over 30 years. They're totally experienced in this industry and this industry only, and it pays massive dividends.
If we understand doctor blades and analox rolls, cleaning chemicals, and plate mounting, we have an all-encompassing look inside of the press department and are much better suited to be able to diagnose problems, improve productivity, and then expand our relationship with the customer so that we become an integral part of their future. We're not just analox rolls. So as we add doctor blades, we add cleaning chemistry, we add plate mounting sleeves and bridges, every time that we add a new product portfolio, a complete education process takes place, which elevates the quality of the entire organization.
The difference between Pamarco and other suppliers is, the longevity of the employees we have. Many of them have, 20, 30 years, quick turnaround on rollers, and very high quality.
We're committed to new investment in technology and people and product innovation, primarily through listening to our customer base, but then also working and developing so that rather than it be a top-down, that we're listening from our customers through our employees and working to develop new and better ways to manufacture new and better products.
We're at a great advantage where we believe we are the biggest analog supplier in the world, and we have multiple sites, therefore we have multiple joint contracts. We also have a network of agencies and distributors who are all joint, and we have contracts with those all over the world, so we can quite easily globally cover everywhere in the world.
What is really good is when we get it right, and I think we get it right a lot more than we get it wrong. When it does go right, you feel tremendous about it because the press goes in, the customer starts to print immediately, and everything works correctly.